We don't get to enjoy this beautiful panoramic view every day, so let's make the most of it. Sparkling heart, sparkling heart, sparkling heart.
Ayun, sasakyan namin papuntang Pansitan. Kahapon. Hello. Sila ate. Ito. Okay ka na. Sold.
Pwede na.
Ayun o. Nabul-habol ka na.
Ano na tayong picture?
You know, video, picture, and everything.
Ate naman lang sa labas. Wait lang.
Bye!